Good morning, class. Okay. Actually, because of stomach pain, I was admitted in the hospital, and there is a stone, I think, in the gallbladder, and all this thing was there. So I was admitted for 4-5 days. That's why I think I have not able to take the Monday and Tuesday class. Even today I was okay, but I thought we have to complete the course. So let's try to finish the course, then I will see what we have to do for this stone and all. That's okay. So I think we were doing the percentage, we have completed, profit and loss we have started, some type of question we have done. If I remember correctly, I'm going to start a new part in the profit and loss. Concept wise, we have done what is profit, what is loss, what is CP, SP, profit means addition, loss means subtraction. All these things we have done. All these things we have done. Now we are going to start the new thing. Okay, just do one thing. Just draw a line in your page, and on one side write like this: a person buys 2 articles of 1,000 each. A person buys 2 articles of 1,000 each. He sells 1 article at 10% profit and another article at 10% loss. He sells 1 article at 10% profit and another article at 10% loss. Okay? A person buys 2 articles of 1,000 each. He sells 1 article at 10% profit and another article at 10% loss. Find the overall profit or loss percentage. I am repeating the question. Please note it clearly, like a person buys 2 articles. Now be here. Okay, the health issue, I know the priorities and all. So please be here now. Now I am here for you guys only. And if you guys start focusing on somewhere else, then this will be lost. So please be here for some time. Okay, I have taken the due care and all. It's not like that I have forced to be here. I have taken my decision, like I have consulted with every doctor and all, then that's why I am here. My only aim is to complete your syllabus as soon as possible. As soon as possible doesn't mean that I will move very fast. The aim is to complete your syllabus first, then I will take care of everything. So don't worry, now be here, otherwise this will be lost. And my whole agenda will be lost. I am here only to teach you all this concept and all. This question UPSC has asked once, so they can ask again also. So now be here, fully concentrate on this part. Okay? Don't think about anything else. Now just be here. A person buys 2 articles of 1,000 each. He sells 1 article at 10% profit and another article at 10% loss, and over 10% loss. Find the overall profit and loss percentage. Find the overall profit and loss percentage. This is the first question. Fine. Now second side you can write a person, just a minute, profit and loss first. A person sells 2 articles, a person sells 2 articles of 1,000 each. a person sells 2 articles of 1,000 each. On one article, he got 10% profit, and on another article, he got 10% loss. 10% loss. Now the question is, find the overall percent of profit or percent of loss. Now, generally what students start doing, they start remembering, okay, if this will come, this will be answer. If this will come, this will be answer. Try to focus on the conceptual part. Try to focus on the conceptual part. What is given here? Just try to understand which all value is given here. What is the final requirement? Final requirement is percent of profit or percent of loss. Percent of profit or percent of loss. So I have given you in the first class of profit and loss the concept like the profit and loss is always be calculated on a cost price. The profit and loss is always be calculated on a cost price. Somebody is asking how to solve DICE question. DICE, I think reasoning faculty has taken that, so you can ask the reasoning faculty. You can ask the reasoning faculty, reasoning sir, DICE question. You can ask the reasoning faculty the DICE question. DICE question you can ask to the reasoning faculty. I am taking the maths part. So a person buys 2 articles of 1,000 each. He sells one article at 10% profit, another article at 10% loss. Find the overall percent of profit or percent of loss. Second part is a person sells 2 articles of 1,000 each. On one article he got 10% profit, another article 10% loss. Find the overall profit or percent of loss. Okay. First, Chesta Sharma is giving the first answer. First part answer is no profit, no loss. I am not saying this. Chesta is saying this. So one answer I am getting is a no profit, no loss of first one. What is the answer of second one? Just try to visualize what is given, what we have to find out. I am just giving you 2-3 minutes so that you will understand the concept. Then I will come to the questions. Okay, now try to understand this. We know that I told you in the first class also, the profit or the percent of profit or percent of loss is always be calculated on the cost price or not. What is the percent of profit? Percent of profit is profit upon CP into 100. Or we know that always percent of profit or percent of loss is calculated on the cost price. So if cost price is given, we know everything. So try to understand here. Be here. See. See now here. A person buys 2 articles of 1,000 each. He is buying 2 articles of 1,000 each. Are you getting my point or not? So you have to only identify what is given, whether cost price is given or selling price is given. So when he is buying, he is not selling the article, he is buying the article. So So for that person, this 1000 rupees is what? This 1000 rupees is the cost price of the article. So what we can say? The cost price of first article is 1000 rupees in first case, and cost price of second article is also 1000 rupees in first case. Now what is given? On one article he has 10% profit. So suppose on the first article he has 10% profit. So 10% profit means 100 rupees profit. On second article he has 10% loss, that means 100 rupees loss, because we always calculate profit and loss on a cost price. So we have given the cost price as 1000. So what is the 10% of 1000? 100 rupees. What is the 10% loss of 1000? 100 rupees. That means that 100 rupees profit is there and 100 rupees loss is there. So from here we can say that in the first case the answer will be no profit, no loss. The answer will be no profit, no loss in the first case. In the first case, the answer will be no profit, no loss. Why? Because the cost price is given. Because the cost price is given to us, and we have given the percent of profit and percent of loss. So directly we can find out what is the percent of profit or percent of loss. Is this making sense or not? Now come to the second part. Come to the second part. What is given here? A person sells 2 articles of 1000 each. Now here cost price is not given. Now here the cost price is not given. What is given then? Selling price is given. That means the SP1 is given as 1000 and SP2 is also given as 1000. Now profit is given as 10%. Loss is also given as 10%. But what is the problem here? The problem here is we cannot say that the profit is 10% of this. Why? Because profit is always be calculated on the cost price. And now here selling price is given. So we cannot say that the profit is 10% of this value. Is this making sense or not? So how we can find out? The one way to find out is we know that this is CP1, 10% profit means, I told you whenever profit is 10%, that means the cost price become 110%. That means the cost price become 110%, and that is equal to SP. That is equal to SP. SP is given as 1000. So this is the one way to find out first, then CP1, then CP2, then you can find out the percent of profit or percent of loss, but is a lengthy process. So this is the one case where I suggest formula to the student, and I say always remember the formula in this case. Why? Because the formula is much easier than the actual concept, because actual concept will take more time. Why more time? Because we have SP1, we have profit. Now CP1 we can find out. How come? CP1 become 110%. Why? Because profit is given as 10%. So when profit is 10%, that means the cost price become 110%, and that is equal to SP. SP is given as 1000. So we can put this value, we can find out the CP1, similarly CP2, but it's a very lengthy process. So always in such cases where selling price are given, and percent of profit and percent of loss are equal, so there will be always loss. There will be always loss, and loss of x square upon 100. And loss of x square upon 100. That means whenever such situation is given, there will be always be loss. And how much loss will be there? the loss will be x square upon 100. What is x here? X is a value of percent of profit or percent of loss. Like the percent of profit or percent of loss is 10%. So loss is equal to 10 square upon 100. That means that is equal to 1%. So we will say that in this case there will be loss of 1% will be there. There will be loss of 1% will be there. If suppose this data is given like this, one article he got 20% profit, another article he got 20% loss, then what will be the answer? The answer will be 20 square upon 100. 20 square is equal to 400. 400 upon 100, that means that is equal to 4%. That is equal to 4%. Is this making sense or not? So the whole logic is, whenever cost price is given, the answer will be no profit, no loss. I told you the logic. Whenever selling price is given, always there will be loss. And how much loss? X square upon 100. Now your question will be, sir, if suppose these two values are not equal. If suppose these two values are not equal. If these two values are not equal, we cannot apply this concept. We cannot apply this concept. But then we know the logic. We know the logic. Whatever is given, we can find out the answer accordingly. We can find out the answer accordingly. And sir, what is the profit? Is 40. That's what I am explaining. If profit and loss is given as different, suppose profit is given as 10% and loss is given as 20%. Dekho, what is the meaning of shortcut? Shortcut meaning is, suppose there are 5 students in the class, A, B, C, D, E. So there are chances that there is a shortcut if A is going to home. But might be there is no shortcut for B home, there is no shortcut for C home, but then again there is shortcut for D home. So if we are going on A home, then we will take the shortcut. If we are going to B home, we will go by long way. Are you getting my point or not? So if this kind of question will come, then we will apply the shortcut. And why this formula is made? Because this kind of question is coming in the examination. UPSC already have asked this question in the exam. And now your question is, suppose sir we have to go to B home. So if you are going to B home, simply go by the long route. And what is the long route? We know the long route. Suppose if I make this question like this, 10% profit and 20% loss. So from here we can find out the CP1. We can find out CP1. How can find out the CP2? The cost price 2 is equal to, there is a 20% loss. So 20% loss means cost price become 80%. Sorry, yes, 1000. So now you can see that from here you can find out CP1. From here you can find out CP2. And once you have CP1, CP2, cost price 1, cost price 2, once you have profit and loss percentage, you can find out any value or not. You can find out any value. So it depends on, I am saying, if all conditions are given accordingly, then there will be always will be loss. And how much loss? X square upon 100% is the loss. Yes, if SP are given, if SPs are given, but all conditions should be satisfying. What is the condition? The two article SP should be equal. The percent of profit and percent of loss should be equal. Then always there will be loss. And how much loss? X square upon 100 is a loss percentage. भाई आप सॉल्व तो कर लो यार. कैन यू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन? नाउ CP1 we have, CP2 we have. Now you can solve it. You can solve it. I'm not going to solve. You can solve it, bhai. Okay. Now even if you have a doubt how you can solve, what is the total selling price? Total selling price is 2000. What is total cost price? You can find out CP1 plus CP2. And you have to find out the overall profit and overall loss. So you can apply the formula overall SP minus overall CP upon overall CP in 200. You will get your answer. You will get your answer. Why loss and profit are always calculated on CP? Okay. Why loss and profit are always, when I am saying addition, why you are doing like this? When I say add 2 plus 3, why you are writing 5? Why not you are writing minus 1? Can you answer this question? If I am asking, somebody is asking, why profit or loss is always be calculated on CP? My question to you is, if I am asking you just 10, add 10 into 3. So why you are saying 13? Why not you are saying 10 plus 3 is equal to 7? Why not we are saying that 10 plus 3 is equal to 7? Because there is a logic. Some person are there who has like made this thing, whenever addition will be there, we will just move 3 line further in a number system. Or like a number line, we will move 3 point ahead, 10, 11, 12, 13. If we are subtracting, we will move behind. This was the logic behind that. Addition, subtraction was devised like this. Similarly, whenever we are saying profit, whenever we are saying loss, so what is profit and what is loss? There should be some logic behind that. And where you are calculating profit and loss? भाई आपको whatever cost we are incurring to make this marker, we will calculate the profit and loss on that value or not, because that is the actual money which is going from my pocket. If suppose for making this marker 100 rupees is the cost price, so 100 rupees is going from my pocket or not? So if I have to calculate the profit or loss, so what is going from my pocket? From my pocket 100 rupees is going. So I will calculate the profit and loss on that value itself. And I think that is enough. I'm not going to explain further. This is not the question ki how to why to calculate profit and loss on CP. Okay, देखो, just tell me, let me tell you one thing. What you guys can do, you guys just try it. ठीक है ना? मैं तो बता ही दूंगा. I will tell you how to solve that. But the aim is how, when you will try, you will learn something. Many students are asking, sir, what to do, how to solve. Just do it, na. Just do it once. Okay, suppose we are solving by traditional method. Suppose we are solving by traditional method. Okay, what is the traditional method? We know that SP1 is given as 1000, profit is given as 10%, SP2 is given as 1000, loss is given as 10%. We have to find out the overall percent of profit or overall percent of loss. CP is not given. Can we find out the CP? So CP1 is equal to, now when you do this thing, you will learn something. When you ask this thing, I am damn sure you are not going to learn this thing. Why? Because already I have told everything, and still if you are asking the same question, that means you are not learning. And why you are not learning? Because you are not trying. Once you try, everything will be clear. Everything will be clear. But the problem is what? You want spoon feeding. everything sir will tell us, and I'm damn sure they are not going to ask this question in the examination. I will solve it. UPSC will ask something else. Then you will say कि सर ने तो कुछ पढ़ाया नहीं था, मेरा हुआ ही नहीं. क्यों नहीं हुआ? Because you are not trying. Just try it. Just solve it. Do it once. And still if you are not able to solve, what should be the logical question? The logical question should be, sir, like I have found out CP, I have found out SP, I'm not able to understand how to find out the percent of profit or loss. But you guys are asking the first step itself. So just do it, just try it. What is CP1? CP1, this is CP1, 10% profit. This become SP1. So from here I can say that CP1 is equal to 1000 into 100 this will go on 9 times. Just a minute. Okay, I have taken 20 here. Wait. 1000 100 upon 110. I have taken one extra 0. That's why there is a confusion. 9.09 and this will become 909. Okay, this will become your CP1. What is your CP2? CP2 we can find out from here. Similarly, 1000 I am writing 100 upon what will come? CP2 is this will become 90. This will become 90. And why 90? Because there was a 10% loss. One 1.11. This will go on like this. This will become CP2. Now what we have to find out? The overall percent of profit or overall percent of loss. So how to find out? The overall percent of profit or loss is equal to, or percent of loss is equal to SP minus CP upon CP into 100. What is overall SP? Overall SP is equal to 2000. 1000 and 1000 for 2 article. So overall SP is equal to 2000 minus what is overall CP? 1111 plus 909. So we can add these two values. $2020.11 $2020.11 upon 2020.11 into 100. Now you can solve and you can see that since CP is more than SP, so there will be this value will come in negative, and since this value will come in negative, so what will be there? There will be a loss. There will be a loss. Now don't ask me, sir, divide करके भी दिखा दो. ठीक है? You can do it. Okay. Now I'm coming to a question, puzzle type of question, which can come in the examination. What is the question? See, there is a shopkeeper. There is a shopkeeper who is selling a bicycle, at a cost price itself. This person, this shopkeeper is selling a bicycle at cost price itself. That means selling price and cost price are equal. So what is the selling price and cost price? He is selling the bicycle at cost price itself, and that is equal to 4,500 rupees. 4,500 rupees. One day, a tourist came to him. One day, suppose tourist T came to him and asked for bicycle. He told him the price of bicycle is 4,500 rupees. You can buy it. The tourist has a problem that he don't have cash because he is coming from a different country. Because he is coming from a different country. But he has a check. He has a check that the cost of check is 5,000 rupees. The check amount is 5,000 rupees. I am repeating. Please listen carefully. I am not going to repeat it. A shopkeeper is there. The shopkeeper is selling a bicycle at cost price. The cost price and selling price of bicycle is 4,500 rupees. A tourist came to buy this bicycle, but there is a problem that the tourist is from different country, so he don't have cash, but he has a check of rupees 5,000 rupees, and he asked the shopkeeper to take the check, give the rest of the amount, and give the bicycle also, But shopkeeper informed tourist, I don't have any bank account. I am a poor shopkeeper. I don't have any bank account, so I cannot accept the check. But tourist insisted that I need a bicycle, and this person also want to sell the bicycle because last few days no sale was there. Okay? So finally what shopkeeper has decided, there is a friend of shopkeeper who has a bigger shop near this shop, who has a bigger shop nearby. He take the 5,000 rupees check from this tourist, went to this friend and given the 5,000 rupees check to his friend and taken the 5,000 rupees as cash. Okay, what happened? This shopkeeper has taken the 5,000 rupees check. He has taken the check. This check is given to his friend because friend is a bigger shopkeeper and he has many bank account. Now this 5,000 rupees check is given to his friend. His friend has given 5,000 rupees cash back. Now what this shopkeeper has done, shopkeeper has given the bicycle to tourist of 4,500 rupees. Along with that, he has given 5,000 rupees as cash also. 5,000 rupees as cash also. Why 5,000 rupees as cash? Because the cost of bicycle is only 4,500 rupees. Okay? Till now everything is clear. Next day, what happened? When his friend went to the bank, this check was like not correct. Some sign was not correct in the check. And check bounced. Or simply we can say next day, when this friend went to the bank, the check bounced. And now he came to the shopkeeper and taken back his 5,000 rupees and again given the bounce check to this shopkeeper. Okay, I am repeating the whole process. Listen carefully. It's a very simple. Since I have to make it look complicated, that's why I have made it complicated. Otherwise the solution is very simple. What is the question? Shopkeeper is there. Cost price, selling price of bicycle is 4,500 rupees. A tourist came to buy the bicycle, but he has only check of 5,000 rupees. He went to his friend, given the check, taken back cash, and by this cash he has kept 4,500 rupees, that is the cost of the bicycle, and given back 5,000 rupees to tourist, 500 rupees to tourist back. Next day what happened? When his friend went to the bank, this check bounced, and because of that he has taken back his 5,000 rupees cash and given the bounce check to this shopkeeper. Now the question is, in this whole process, what is the loss? What is the loss to shopkeeper? What is the loss to shopkeeper? In this whole process, what is the loss to shopkeeper? If you have a doubt in any part of the question, you can ask. Otherwise, just try. I am giving you 5 minutes. This question can come in the examination. If you have any doubt in any part of the question, you can ask. Otherwise, you can try to solve it. Try to give the answer. When offline classes were there, I generally give the one chocolate, whosoever is given the correct answer first. But this is online classes, so I cannot give you chocolate. But I can say that if you have given the correct answer of this question, that means your concept is really good, and I'm damn sure you are going to clear the CSAT. And GS also, because everything is interconnected. Try to give the answer. Okay, some answer I am getting, actually it was not refreshing. I have just seen many answer I am getting. Okay, many of you have given the correct answer. I have just seen 10,000, 9,500, 10,000, 5,000 Vinay, then 4,500 Dinesh. Okay, 10,000, 10,000. Somebody has given in the percentage also, 122.22%, 5,500. Loss of bicycle plus 5,000, 10,000, 5,500 because check is bounced. Okay, 5,500, loss of 500 only. Okay, many of you have given the correct answer also. Actually, the page was not refreshing, so I just saw your messages. There are a lot of message. Try to understand here. Now be here. Whatever is your answer, now be here. Whatever is your answer, now be here. Okay? Otherwise you will miss the concept. Be here now. Okay. I am giving you an example. Suppose this is the offline classes. One day I came in the class and I asked you, today someone has given me a torn note of 2,000 rupees and nobody is taking that note. Nobody is taking that 2,000 rupees note. One of the student whose father is in the bank or RBI, he asked me, sir, you can give me that 2,000 rupees note and you can take me the real note of 2,000 rupees. I will ask my father to change that note. I will ask my father to change that note, and it's very easy task for me. Okay? What happened? One day, I came in the class and I inform you, somebody has given me a torn note of 2,000 rupees, okay, or there is a cut in the 2,000 rupees note and nobody is taking that note from me and I'm not able to buy anything from that note. One of the students in the class, he told me, sir, my father is in the RBI, now he can change that note, just give me that note. He has taken that 2,000 rupees from me and he has given me some other note of 2,000 rupees which is fresh note. Okay? After 3-4 days, what happened? That student again came to me and he asked me, sir, I asked my father, but my father is telling that this note has a cut which cannot be changed in the RBI also. This has a cut which cannot be changed in the RBI even. So just give me my original notes of 2,000 rupees and you can take your cut note of 2,000 rupees. Since that person is my student, I don't have any option. What happened? I have taken my note, cut note back and I have given the 2,000 rupees note to that student again. And if I ask, what is the loss I have incurred in this whole process, the answer will be no profit, no loss or not. Why no profit, no loss? Because original 2,000 note was along with me initially, and that note went to that person and it note again came back to me, and there is a no exchange of anything else. There is a no exchange of anything else. So that cut note or that torn note belonged to me, that after some time again came to me. So in that process, there is a no profit, no loss or not? There is a no profit, no loss or not? You can see that if I cut a note from somewhere, I have given to you, next day you have given back to me that note. What happened? There is a no profit, no loss to me. Why? Because that note belonged to me. After some time, again that note came to me. But from where I have got this 2,000 rupees note, might be there is some loss. Might be there is some loss there. So if you see, this process is only introduced to confuse you. This process between shopkeeper and friend is only introduced to confuse you. You can see this bounce check belonged to shopkeeper. What happened? This person has given check to this. Now forgot about this person. Forgot about the traveler. Only think about the shopkeeper and friend. Only think about the shopkeeper and friend. Suppose shopkeeper has found from somewhere a check. Now this check is given to friend. Next day, friend has given back the check and taken this money. So there is any profit or loss in this process? No. There is no profit or loss in this process. Why? Because the bounce check belonged to shopkeeper, and after one day, that bounce check came to the shopkeeper. But from where this shopkeeper is getting the bounce check, there might be some profit or loss. There might be some profit or loss. We have to verify that. But in this process between shopkeeper and friend, there is a no profit, no loss. And why it is so? Because there is a no exchange of, there is a nothing exchange between shopkeeper and friend. The check belong to shopkeeper and cash belong to friend. After one day, the shopkeeper got his bounce check and friend got his cash. So there is a no profit, no loss between this process. This is only to confuse you. But from where this loss is coming? Because from where this person is getting this bounce check, this person is getting this bounce check from this traveler. So there might be some loss in this process. There might be some loss in this process. So here we can say, in this process between shopkeeper and friend, no profit, no loss. No profit, no loss between shopkeeper and friend. This is the concept. Now, understand what will happen between shopkeeper and traveler. What will happen between shopkeeper and traveler? What's this shopkeeper, from this shopkeeper like a pocket, what is going? This bicycle is going or not? This bicycle is going or not? What is the cost price of this bicycle? The cost price of this bicycle is 4,500 rupees. So this is the one loss. This is the one loss. What else is going from shopkeeper pocket? Shopkeeper is giving 500 rupees cash also. Shopkeeper is giving 500 rupees cash also to traveler. And when he is giving 500 rupees cash, that means this is also going from shopkeeper pocket. So what else is going from shopkeeper pocket? 500 rupees else is also going from shopkeeper pocket. Okay? And what shopkeeper is getting? Shopkeeper is getting nothing but a bounce check. But a bounce check. So if you can see that from shopkeeper pocket, what exactly is going? From shopkeeper pocket, only this bicycle is going. Along with that, this 500 rupees is going. And what shopkeeper is getting? Shopkeeper is getting nothing. Shopkeeper is getting nothing. That means the overall loss is of 5,000 rupees. So whosoever has given 5,000 as an answer and they understand this process, I can just say that you guys' concepts are very clear and definitely you guys are going to clear the CSAT paper. Okay? Definitely you are going to clear the CSAT paper. Okay, tell me, any doubt if you have? Any doubt if you have? The overall loss is of 5,000 rupees. The answer will be 5,000 rupees. Take your time. Try to understand. But sir, that 500 rupees is not the shopkeeper money. The traveler gave him a check of 5,000. Okay? I'm not getting, this 500 rupees is not shopkeeper money. So from where this 500 rupees is coming? Tell me, from where this 500 rupees is coming? Think about the shopkeeper. Think about the shopkeeper. What exactly shopkeeper is getting? Shopkeeper is getting only a bounce check. What is the input? What is coming to shopkeeper? A shopkeeper bounce check is coming. Bounce check is coming to shopkeeper. There is no money in this, by this bounce check, shopkeeper will get nothing. Shopkeeper will get nothing. And what is going out from shopkeeper pocket? What is going out from shopkeeper pocket? From shopkeeper pocket, how much is going? A cycle of 4,500 rupees and a 500 rupees. This is the total money which is going from shopkeeper pocket. And what shopkeeper is getting? Shopkeeper is getting a bounce check or check which is going to bounce next day, which is going to bounce next day. That means there's a nothing, shopkeeper is getting nothing, but shopkeeper is giving 5,000 rupees. You can think like this. Okay, some student has doubt, sir. He is giving 5,000 rupees cash also to this friend. But tell me, you are forgetting the first step. What was the first step? The first step was, this shopkeeper is giving a check to this person friend, and his friend is giving 5,000 rupees cash. That means one input of this is 5,000 rupees cash. But next day what will happen? Next day from this pocket 5,000 rupees is again going back. 5,000 rupees. Okay, let me tell you. You can think like this way also. You can think like this way also to make it more clear. Now see here. This is shopkeeper. This is friend. This is traveler. Now first think about what this shopkeeper is getting. Shopkeeper is getting a check, okay, which has zero value. Check has zero value. Now what shopkeeper is giving? Shopkeeper is giving a cycle of 4,500 rupees plus a 500 rupees cash. That means shopkeeper is giving total 5,000 rupees. Total 5,000 rupees. Okay, this is one part. Now between shopkeeper and friend, think about this. Shopkeeper is giving a check to friend that has zero value. That has zero value. Now friend is giving 5,000 rupees. Now that means this shopkeeper has received 5,000 rupees one day. First, like on that day itself. What happened next day? Next day, this friend is again giving a check which has zero value and taking back 5,000 rupees or not. That means whatever this shopkeeper has got 5,000, next day that again went to the friend. So total become what? In this transaction, total value becomes zero because he has given 0 rupees check to this friend. He got back 0 rupees check, and this whatever friend has given 5,000 rupees, next day that is taken back. So there is a no profit, no loss in this process. Only this process there is a loss, and the loss is of 5,000 rupees. Okay, got it, great. But shopkeeper has a check of 4,500 rupees. Either you don't know the meaning of bounce check. If you are asking, sir, shopkeeper got the check, then where is the loss? So either you don't know the meaning of bounce check. Otherwise, you should have idea. Bounce check means what? You can go and search. Okay, I am moving to the next part. Now mark this question. This question can come in the examination because UPSC love to give puzzle type of question which required conceptual thing along with the puzzles. So you can go and check before the examination. This kind of question can come in the examination. Question number 15. Please please show the question number 15. Question number 15. Two Samsung phones are sold at rupees 30,000 each. One is sold at a profit of 20% and another one has a loss of 20%. Then what is the net loss? What is the net loss? Two Samsung phones are sold at rupees 30,000 each. One is sold at profit of 20%. Another one has loss of 20%. Then what is the net loss? Give the answer of this question. Okay. Simple 20% profit, 20% loss. That means overall 4% loss will be there, x square upon 100. So 4% loss is there. So what is the question? Two Samsung phone are sold as rupees 30,000. One is sold as this, another is. Okay, now we have to find out the cost price here. We have to find out the cost price here, then only we can find out the answer. See, the SP1 is given as 30,000 and the profit is also given as 20%. So what is CP1? CP1 is equal to, I am writing directly, $2,500 is CP1. Similarly, CP2 is equal to into 100 upon 80 . Okay, this is your CP2. So we know that overall loss is how much? Overall loss is of 4%. Loss is of 4%. How come? We know the formula. And what is the cost price? Cost price total is this plus 375,000,005,62500. Simply find out the 4% of this number. You will get your answer. 10% becomes 625, 20%, the answer will be 2500. The answer will be 2500. The answer will be A, 2500. Always the profit or loss will be find out on a cost price. So probably you guys are simply doing what? You guys are simply finding out on the selling price. That's why the answer is, you are saying B. Answer is not B, answer is A. And why A? What you guys have done? You guys have just simply say that SP1 is this, SP2 is this, and total SP1 plus SP2 is 60,000, and you can simply find out the 4% of this. And this is where you are making the mistake. This is where you guys are making the mistake. Are you getting my point or not? We have to first find out the CP, cost price. And how we can find out the cost price? Already we have done all this thing. So first we have to find out the cost price 1, cost price 2. Once cost price 1 and cost price 2 is find out, this is the total cost price. Now we can find out the percent of profit or loss. So we have to find out simply 4% of this. 1% of this becomes 625. 4% of this become 2500 is a correct answer. Please mark this thing. Understand where you guys are making mistake and why you guys are making mistake. The answer will be the answer will be 2500 rupees. Just think about where you guys are making mistake. Dekho, learning is the biggest thing. If you learn from this question, if different question will come also, you are able to solve. But if you just find out the answer, then you are not able to solve in the examination. The reason is because in the examination they will ask from where 4% is coming. From where 4% is coming. Okay, अभी पीछे बताया मैंने, just open your booklet. In the starting of the class I told you, if SP1 is given, SP2 is given, both are equal, percent of profit, percent of loss are equal, then there always will be a loss of x square upon 100. X square upon 100%, this will be always a loss. There will be always a loss of x square upon 100%. X square upon 100%. Just I have told you, so from that concept I can say SP1, SP2 are equal, percent of profit and percent of loss are equal. So there always will be a loss, and loss of x square upon 100. What is x square value here? X square here is 20 square upon 100. That means 400 upon 100. That is 4% loss will be there. 4% loss will be there. हाँ भाई देखो, if they are asking only, if they are not asking the value, if they are only asking what is the percent of profit, percent of loss, then we can simply say that the percent of loss will be 4%. If they will ask simply what is the percent of loss, then we will say the percent of loss is 4%. But if they are asking the value we have to find out the cost price. We have to find out the cost price. Okay, I will take a break. I will take a small break as 2 times because I cannot take a longer class together. So I am taking a 10 minutes break. We will meet after 10 minutes. We will start the discount and all, and then probably one more break I will take. So now 10-minute break. You can, in that break you can revise also. If you have a doubt, we can take it up. Otherwise, we will start with a discount concept. Okay, so please give the question like shopkeeper one. So, ये puzzle type of questions are there. So, actually, these are 1 and 2 questions are there. Other than that, we have to make such questions, and UPSC are making such questions. So, some questions are given in your sheet. So, not much questions like this are there because they are the puzzles which are related to the profit and loss. So, in profit and loss, 2-3 puzzles are there. So, we will take it up in the class itself. Some are given in your sheet, some will be given in your papers. So, you will get all this thing. Don't worry about that. Focus on the concept. Focus on the concept, because if I sit, I can make n number of questions on the conceptual part, and if your concept is clear, you can answer most of the question. So, can we apply the concept of x square upon 100 in the case when CP is same and profit and loss? Then why you want to apply there? Dekho, understand, don't try to remember the things. That's why I am telling you, try to remember the concept rather than try to remember the process. Listen carefully. What is important? Importance is try to remember the concept rather than try to remember the process. Some of you are asking, sir, can we like apply x square upon 100 when CP are given? So why we need to apply? Why we are applying x square upon 100? Because to avoid the complication. When CP are given, percent of profit, percent of loss is given, then directly we can find out the answer. Then directly we can find out the answer. What is the point to applying there? What is the point to applying there? In the case when SP is given, so we have a more step. First we have to find out the CP, and then we have to find out the answer. And that's why, what is the case? That's why we are going for a shortcut, and that shortcut is what? That shortcut is like x square upon 100. So this is only required when there is a long process and we want to make them short. If CP is given, we can directly find out the profit and loss. No need of applying anything there. Okay. Now come to the concept of discount. The first part. Discount is always calculated on marked price. What is this? I will tell you, must note that. Or market price or tag price. Discount is always calculated on mark price, market price or tag price. What is this? I will tell you. Just understand. First note it down. Second, discount is always successive in nature. Discount is always successive in nature. There are two things. The first thing is discount is always calculated on a mark price. What is the meaning of this? I will tell you. Just wait. Second is discount is always successive in nature. These two concepts you should understand. What is the meaning of successive in nature? Successive, decrement, increment, I have told you. Same logic will be applied here. Now, understand, whenever you are going to any shop and suppose they are giving some 50% plus 20% discount, or like 50% discount. Sometimes they have written like up to 50% discount. So what is the meaning of this, and from on which value they are giving the discount? Because if they start giving discount on cost price, so they will incur a loss or not? But after giving discount also, they are opening so many showrooms. After giving the discount also, they are opening so many showrooms. So why it is so? Because they are earning the profit, then that's why they are opening so many showrooms. Otherwise there is no point of opening showrooms. But if they are opening, that means they are getting some profit. So what is the mechanism of getting the profit? What is the mechanism of getting the profit? Understand here. See, suppose a shopkeeper is there. You went to that shopkeeper, and what this shopkeeper is doing, he is selling a sweater. Suppose he is selling a shirt. The cost price of shirt is 100 rupees. He is asking you, suppose 150 rupees. He is asking you 150 rupees for the particular shirt. Okay? Now what you will do? You will start bargaining. Give me some discount on this 150 rupees because this shirt is very costly, blah blah blah. You will say so many things, and might be you will purchase this shirt of 130 rupees or not. So what shopkeeper has seen, that even after I am placing a very low price, customer is asking for discount. And in India, discount is a normal thing. Even we will go to the car showroom, the first thing we will ask, what is the discount person, or how much discount he will give, or anywhere. Even if you are going on a jewelries and all, so we will ask one question, what is the discount percentage here? Are you getting my point or not? So understand this thing, what concept they have applied here. Try to learn this thing. See, so what they have done, instead of giving discount on a price, what they have done, see, there is a cost price. Suppose the cost price of a shirt is 100 rupees. Now what they have done, they have marked this price 2000 rupees. What is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is, the actual price of shirt is 100 rupees, but when you go to purchase a shirt, what will happen? You will get a tag on the shirt or not? You will get a tag on the shirt, and there's some price written over there. And that is called as your tag price. Tag price is what? Tag price is a price written on a tag of a particular article. You are going to buy a shirt, a tag will be there. So whatever price will be written on that tag, that is called as tag price, or that is called as market price. Or that is called as marked price. Okay? Suppose tomorrow I will go to buy this marker. Some MRP will be written there. Some MRP will be written over here, or some price tag will be over here. So that is called as tag price, market price, or marked price. Are you getting my point or not? So always understand, the discount is always be calculated on which price? Discount is always will be given on a tag price. Discount is always given on a tag price. No need to remember anything. Just think of, you are going to buy some cloth on a sale. Suppose you are going to buy a jeans. So when you go to the shop, what you will see? You will see a tag over the jeans, and that price, whatever is written on that tag, is called as tag price, and they will give discount on that tag price itself or not? They will give discount on that tag price itself or not? Are you getting my point or not? Are you getting my point or not? I am repeating, tag price. What is tag price? Tag price is price written on a tag of an article. You are going to buy anything, a tag will be there. The price on that tag is called as tag price or market price or mark price. Okay? So always discount will be given on this tag price. This is the first thing. This is the first thing you have to understand. So never get confused. Never give discount on a cost price. Never give discount on any other price. Always think about the market price or tag price. Okay? Suppose any question is given, the cost price of article is 100 rupees, the mark price or market price is 500 rupees. If 50% discount is given, find the percent of profit. So never get confused. Always the profit percentage, or like always the always the discount is given on a tag price. This is the first thing. Now, what is the second part? Second part, what they have done, 100 rupees shirt, they have marked them as 1,000 rupees. And now they are giving you 50% plus 20% discount. So second concept is, discount is always successive in nature. Discount is always successive in nature. What is the concept? Discount is always successive in nature. If discount is successive in nature, first give a discount of 50%. First give a discount of 50%. So if I give discount, I told you, whenever discount word will there, that means decrement. Always, whenever discount word is coming in front of you, always think that decrement. So first we will decrease by 50%. If I decrease by 50%, this become 500. This become 500. This is after first discount. This is after first discount. Now, second is a 20% discount. Second is 20% discount. And it is given that discount is always successive in nature. Successive means the next discount won't occur on this value. The next discount will be on this 500. So if I give 20% discount, that means minus 100 rupees. That means minus 100 rupees. That means minus 100 rupees. If I subtract 100 rupees from here, I will get how much? I will get 400 rupees. And now after giving the discount, whatever price is coming, you will buy that article on that price or not? So this is called as, after giving the discount, whatever price is coming, that is called as selling price. That is called as selling price. And now you can see that the article was 100 rupees, the shopkeeper was selling on 150 rupees, and you were asking the discount. Now that same shopkeeper is selling the article of 100 rupees in 400 rupees, and you will go and happily buy that article. You will go and happily buy that article. What they will do? They will make 100 rupees shirt to 2000 rupees, and they will give you discount of 50 plus 20%, and you will go get some discount, and happily you will buy the shirt which you are getting on of 150 rupees. Now the same shirt you are buying on 400 rupees, and everyone is happy. Why? The customer is happy because customer is getting discount. The shopkeeper is happy because shopkeeper is getting more profit. The shopkeeper is getting more profit. Are you getting my point or not? Try to visualize this once. Then tell me if you have a doubt, let me know. Try to visualize this once. The concept of CP, SP and mark price. If you have a doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, we will move forward. Clear, great. Clear. So we have to establish a relationship between the CP, SP and market price. Okay? So CP, this is SP, this is mark price, market price or tag price. Okay? Now, what is the relationship between CP and SP? We know that either we will increase something in CP or we will decrease something in CP. I am assuming there is a profit. There is a profit. So what we will do? CP into, or we can say CP minus, plus profit is equal to SP. And what is the relationship between MP and SP? Because we are decreasing something in tag price, because we are giving the discount. So we can say that tag price minus discount is equal to, SP. Can we say this thing or not? CP plus profit is equal to tag price minus discount, CP plus profit is equal to SP, tag price minus discount is equal to SP. Sir, 400 is a CP for customer. What is the point for that? Whether 400 is a CP or for customer or SP, always see the one reference. We are talking about one reference of shopkeeper. Don't go on a further reference. Otherwise everything will change. Try to understand first whatever I am teaching here, then whatever argument you have, I will take it up. But give a valid argument. Understand this. Understand this. The second part, try to understand. CP plus profit is equal to SP, tag price minus discount is equal to SP. Okay, I am giving a statement. Suppose I am giving a statement. After giving discount of 20%. A statement is given after giving discount of 20%. Okay? Now tell me, or like a shopkeeper is giving a discount of 20%. A shopkeeper is giving a discount of 20%. Now tell me the relationship between SP and MP. Now tell me the relationship between SP and MP. Tell me, a shopkeeper is giving a 20% discount. A shopkeeper is giving 20% discount. Can you tell me the relationship between SP and MP? Can you tell me the relationship between SP and MP? Great. Gurpreet Singh. Your answer is correct. Very good. Priyanka Jha, your answer is correct. Very good. Arun, answer. Prathamesh. Nice. You got the point. The relationship between the SP and MP will be what? If 20% discount is there, that means the mark price is decreased by 20%, or this will become how much? This will become 80%, or if discount of 20% is there, that means SP is 20% less than mark price. That means SP is 80% of mark price. Great. If you understand this thing, we can simply answer any of the question. Everybody has given the correct answer. Okay. So now I'm giving you a question. Just give me the answer of that question. The question is, after giving discount of 35%, after giving a discount of 35%, a shopkeeper still manage a profit of 30%. After giving discount of 35%, a shopkeeper still manage a profit of 30%. Find the relationship between CP and market price. Find the relationship between CP and market price. Just try this question. After giving discount of 35%, a shopkeeper still manage a profit of 30%. Find the relationship between CP and market price. Try this question. Tell me the answer. Okay, some answer I'm getting correct, like Simran, Sejal, Upasna, Mayank, great. Okay, now try to understand. It's a very simple question. The question is what? The question is discount of 35%. So I told you, you have to just understand the relationship between all three. You have to just understand the relationship between all three. You are giving a discount of 35%. So 35% discount means what? 35% discount. That means I can say that, देखो, as soon as the discount word will come, what should come in your mind? Decrement. And in which value decrement? I told you. The discount is always calculated on MP, market price or tag price. That means whenever 35% discount is there, that means we can say that 35% decrement in which value? 35% decrement in the market price. So when market price is decreased by 35%, that means the market price becomes 65% or not? Or you can do the other way also. You can simply find out the 35% value, and you can decrease from the MP. Find out 35% of MP, decrease from MP, you will get the same thing. You will get simply the 65% of MP, and that is equal to SP or not. From here we can say that the SP is equal to 35% of mark price, or when 35% is decrease in the market price, when 35% discount is given, that is equal to SP. This is the first relationship. The second relationship is the shopkeeper still managed to have 30% profit. That means still 30% profit is there. Still 30% profit is there. Profit means increment, and like a discount was calculated on a mark price, the profit is calculated on a cost price. The discount was calculated on a mark price, the profit is calculated on a cost price. We know all this thing. So when calculated on a cost price, so we can say that what happened? This CP become 130%, and that is equal to SP. CP become 130%, and that is equal to SP. Okay? So now these two SP are there. We have to find out the relationship between CP or MP or tag price. So we can simply equate both the equation. From here we can say that CP into 130% is equal to 65% into MP. Now percent means what? Divide by 100. Percent means divide by 100. This will cancel out. This will be twice. So MP will be twice of CP. MP will be twice of CP. MP will be twice of CP. We can see also, if CP is 100, MP become 200 or not? Because MP is twice of CP. What will be the SP now? Give 35% discount on this. 35% of 200 become 70. So if I give discount, the SP become 130. Now you can check. This is 100, 200, 130. You are giving 35% discount. Still you are earning 30% profit or not. So you can check these things also. You can check these things also. Please see this. If you have a doubt, you can ask right now. I think now we have to do this, solve the sheet number PPT 2. I have opened here, you can open there. PPT 2, profit and loss 2, second PPT. Okay. Any doubt you can ask? Clear? Okay. Now there is a homework for you guys. There is a homework for you guys. Buy 5, get 3 free. Buy 5, get 3 free. Find the percent of discount. Buy 5, get 3 free. Find the percent of discount. This kind of question can come because till now they have not asked this question. So this question can come in the examination. Buy 5, get 3 free. Buy 5, get 3 free. Okay, this is your homework. Just do it. We will discuss. Okay. Sometimes they will give, a shopkeeper is giving a discount of 20%, 10% and 5%. Find the overall discount. Find the overall discount. A shopkeeper is giving 20%, 10% and 5%. Find the overall discount. Find the overall discount. Okay? So in such case, how to solve this question? 60 is the wrong answer. 60 is the wrong answer of previous question. That's why I have given you the homework. You can go and try, you can search, you can find out the answer. 60 is the wrong answer. 60 is the wrong answer of previous question. Many of you are giving 60%, which is wrong answer. Okay, now be here for this question. So these 3 discounts are there. So overall discount, what we will do? Less the tag price or mark price is 100 rupees. First discount is of 20%. That means 20 less, this will become 80. Next discount is of 10%. So when next discount is of 10%, that means now this becomes 72. This becomes 72. First discount was of 20%. Discount means decrement. We have decreases the value. This becomes 80. Next discount is of 10%. We have decrease minus 8. This becomes 72. Now third discount is of 5%. Third discount is of 5%. 10% of this value becomes 7.52. 5% become 3.6. If I subtract first, subtract 3, 60, this becomes 68.4. So any value was 100. Now the value becomes 68.4. So overall discount become 31.6%. Overall discount become 31.6%. Overall discount become 31.6%. Done? Okay, now you can just show the previous year question, the third PPT. Third PPT in that portion, the previous year question. It is given as previous year question. हाँ white में है, वो show हो पाएगा? नहीं हो पाएगा? Sure. Okay. Actually, I was just trying to solve the previous year. We can solve the question. हाँ एक बार just give us 2-3 minutes, then we will solve the previous year questions. Just give 2-3 minutes, then we will solve the previous year questions. Now there is a question of CSAT 2020. I'm just reading it. You can just note it down. Then we will show the PPT. Don't worry. It will take some time. I'm just reading the first question. Question of CSAT 2020. The question is, a person bought a car. Show हो गया? ठीक है. Now you can try question number first. You can try question number first. No, it's possible to show. Just read the question number first. Yes, the question number first is, a person bought a car. You can just change the logo. Done? Okay, just a minute. Logo, we are removing the logo, just wait. Just wait, logo, we are removing yes. A person bought a car and sold this for rupees 3 lakh. Yes. If he incurred a loss of 20%, then how much did he spend to buy the car? Solve karo, just solve it. This is CSAT 2020 question. Now try to understand what is given. CP is given, SP is given, or what is given? Percent of profit, percent of loss, what is given? Okay. Now what is the question? The question is a person bought a car and then sold it for rupees 3 lakh. That means what is given? Selling price is given. Now you can adjust accordingly. Selling price is given. So selling price is given as 3 lakh. Selling price is given as 3 lakh. Fine. And the loss is given as 20%. So how we can find out? The CP, when loss is 20%, that means CP is decreased by 20%. When CP is decreased by 20%, the CP become 80%, the CP become 80%, and that is equal to 3 lakh. From here we can say that CP is equal to fine. 37500 is the answer. 37500 is the answer. D is the answer. So now you can see that the UPSC is asking only the basic questions, and it's not like this one. All questions are like this. Fine. D is the correct answer. I'm moving forward. Show question number 2. Show question number 2. A shop, again the logo part. A shop owner offer the following discount option on an article to a customer. The first one is successive discount of 10%, then 20%, and pay a service tax of 10%. Okay? Then second, successive discount of 20% and 10%, and then pay a service tax of 10%. Third one, pay off service tax of 10% first, then successive discount of 20% and 10%. The question is, which of the following is correct? 1 only is the best option for customer, 2 only is the best option for customer, 3 only is the best option for customer, all of the above is the best option for customer. You can just solve it, just try it. Try it once and then solve it. Just see that whether there is any difference on first and second. You can just check that where there is any difference of first and second. Many of you are saying B. Can you check once whether there is any difference on first and second? Okay, let's do it. What you guys are doing, you guys are reading the question, trying to give the answer. See here, suppose anything was 100, anything was 100. Now, you are giving first 10% discount, 10% decrement means this become 90. Then you are giving 20% discount, 20% become 18, this becomes 72, and then you are paying 10% as a service tax. Then you are paying 10% as a service tax. So how much service tax you are paying? You are paying 7.2 as a service tax. Okay? So finally how much you are paying? Finally total you are paying as a 72 plus 79, 79.2. Are you getting my point or not? What you have done, 100 rupees was there, discount 90, 20% discount becomes 72, and then you are paying 10% as service tax. So when you are paying tax, that means you have to give from your pocket. So after discount, you have to pay this much as a tax. So this total, how much you are paying? Total you are paying as 79.2. Take option number B. 100. First discount of 20. This will become 80. Then discount of 10. This becomes 72. Then you are paying 10% tax. This again becomes 79.8. So in successive increment or decrement, whether you are increasing first or decreasing first, or first 20%, 10%, nothing is going to change. Everything will remain same. That means first option, second option is remain same. The answer will be how much you are paying. Sorry, 1 minute. 79 point. How much you are paying? 79.2 you are paying. Similarly, you can see the third option also. Third option was 100. First you have paid the service tax. This become 110. Then you have paid 20% support discount. How much it is given first? First 20% or first 10%? Just a minute. First is 20% discount. The first discount is 20%. So 20% discount means 22. If I subtract, this become 88. And then subtraction of 10%, that means 8.8, and this becomes 79.2 again. So all third case is a similar same case. All third case is the same case because finally customer has to pay 79.2 rupees only. So understand, in successive increment or decrement, you can do anything first, you can do anything second. If they are saying 10% increment, 20% decrement, or 20% decrement first, then 10% increment second, so you can change the order. You can change the order, means 20% increment and 10% decrement has same discount, same value, which 10% decrement, then 20% increment will have. In successive increment or decrement, you can reverse this. This 20% can go here, 10% can come here. Similarly, 10% can go any side or 20% can come any side. So you can change the order, answer is not going to change, but you have to keep in mind, if 20% is increasing, then here also 20% should increase. If 10% is decreasing, here also 10% should decrease. Same formula you can apply for successive increment or decrement also. Successive discount also, AB formula can be applied. Try question number 3rd. Rakesh had money to buy 8 mobile handset of a specific company, but the retailer offered very good discount on that particular handset, and now Rakesh could buy 10 mobile handset with the amount he had. What is the discount the retailer offered? What is the discount the retailer offered? Try this question. The answer of this question. Okay, many of you are giving the correct answer. The answer is B. How come B? C. Always in such case, try to understand what is going from the shopkeeper. from shopkeeper 10 mobile is going or not? 10 mobile is going from shopkeeper or not? And how much how much the customer is getting as discount? 2 mobile is getting, he is getting as discount. That means this is the mark price. The 10 mobile price is a mark price or not? The 10 mobile price is a mark price or not? See, what happened? Suppose the price of one mobile is 100 rupees. The price of 10 mobile is 1000 rupees or not? And customer has how much money? Because he can buy only 8 mobile. That means customer has only 800 rupees or not? That means in 800 rupees, now the customer is buying 10 mobile. Customer is buying 10 mobile. So you can think he is getting a discount of 200 rupees and this is selling price. This is the mark price, market price. Because from shopkeeper pocket, 1000 rupees is going. So this upon 1000 into 100, this will give us 20%. And this is the same logic which I have given you the question. Buy 5, get 3 free. So what the student will do? They will say, oh, okay, total discount is 3 upon 5 into 100, which is wrong concept. Which is wrong concept. The correct one is what? See, 5 plus 3, because he is getting 3 as discount. That means from shopkeeper pocket, total 8 item is going or not? From shopkeeper pocket, total 8 item is going. So what is discount? Discount is of 3. How much item is going from shopkeeper pocket? Total 8 item is going. So what will be the answer? Answer will be 37.5% of the, जो मैंने आपको होमवर्क दिया था, the question which I have given you for homework, the answer will be 37.5%. Same logic is applied here. You can solve this. It's a very easy one. It's a very easy one. Try question number 7th. A person allow a 10% discount for cash payment from the mark price of a toy and still he make a 10% gain. What is the cost price of a toy which is marked rupees 770 rupees, which is marked as a 770 rupees. Try question number 7th. Okay, many of you are giving 630 as a correct answer. So CP, MP, SP, so this was given as 770 and 10% discount he is giving. That means after giving 10% discount, that means if I subtract 77 from here, this becomes 693. Or what? Yes, 693. 10% discount, this becomes 693. Now what is the question? Still he is making 10% gain. 10% gain. That means CP into 110 upon 100 is equal to 693. So CP from here we can say that yes, the correct answer is 630. So that's it for today. I cannot take further classes because like not feeling that much well. So don't worry, I will take all the classes. So from Monday we will meet and we'll start a new topic. I will ask the team to upload the sheet. You can try the sheet. Whatever doubt you will have, we can take it up. And Monday probably we will start the ratio and try to finish the ratio and the ratio and partnership and ages question. And then next week we will try to complete the most of the part of the arithmetic. It's not like we will move very fast. Whatever doubt you will have, you can ask next class. So we will meet next class and we will try to finish further. Thank you.